Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue with the same chapter, that is whole chapter, factorization. In previous class, we have learned about the middle term split, how to do middle term split question. Today we are going to continue with the same thing, that is middle term split, but in a different manner. In what different manner? That now we have given like this 12a plus b ka whole square minus 5a plus b minus 3. Now in this type of question we have to solve by splitting the middle term, but by substituting some other value. What we have to substitute? See here, we have here a plus b ka whole square and we have a plus b. In place of single variable we have two variable now. So how to solve this type of question? We will use substitution method. How? See, first of all I will write let a plus b equals to x. We will put a plus b is equals to x. So our equation will become 12x square minus 5x minus 3. Now we get trinomial expression of single variable. We will solve for x, then we will further put the value of x. How to solve 12 3s are? I taught you in previous class that how to solve middle term split. So we have a x square, coefficient of x square is 12 and constant is 3. So 12 into 3 is 36. Minus 36 we are getting as a product. So we will find out the factor. Okay, 12 into 3 is 36. So factor of 36 will be 2, 18, 2, 9, 3, 3 and 3 and the 3. So arrange this factor in such a way that as a product we get 36 minus 36 and as a addition or subtraction we get minus 5. Okay, so see 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36 and 9 minus 4 we are getting 5. So what we will do, we will write 12x square, I will write minus 9x plus 4x, 9x and 4x. Minus 9 plus 4 we get minus 5. Minus 9 into plus 4 we are getting 36. So take from 12x square and minus 9x we are getting 3 4s are 12 and 3 3s are 9. So we will take 3x as a common. So we will get 4x minus 3 plus we are not getting anything common from 4x minus 3. So what we will write? We will write 1. Whenever we are not having anything common, we will write 1 in place of any other value. 4x minus 3 will be same. Now this 4x minus 3 and 4x minus 3 are same. So we will take overall common. And finally we will write 3x plus 1. Now what we will do? We will further solve for the value of a plus b. Now in place of x we was having a plus b, we will put the value of x here. 4 a plus b minus 3 a plus b plus 1. Open the bracket, final answer we will get 4a plus 4b minus 3 and 3a plus 3b plus 1 is the final answer. So only we have to substitute the value. We having two variables in this type of question, so we will substitute the value of a plus b or b plus c or c plus d, whatever the variable is given. We will arrange in such a way that it become a simple trinomial expression, and then we will apply middle term split method and we will solve for that. And after solving up till end, then we will put the value of x. We have put x is equals to a plus b, so we will put in place of x a plus b because our question was in terms of a plus b or a and b. Okay, now we are going to solve one more question like that. Suppose we have given 5x plus y का whole square minus 6x minus 6y minus 8. Now we have given 5 bracket x plus y का whole square minus 6x minus 6y minus 8. We are getting here, we are having two variables x and y. So how to solve it? See, first I will write same 5x plus y का whole square. Now from these two terms we are getting minus 6 as a common, so we will write minus 6 as a common and in place x plus y. It was minus, so we have taken minus common, so it will become positive. Okay, minus 8 as it is. Now we are having x plus y here, x plus y here. In place of x plus y, we will put any other variable. We will put a in place of x plus y. Let x plus y is equals to a. So our trinomial term will become 5a square minus 6a minus a. Now this is 5, this is 8. So 5 into 8 minus 40. So we will split minus 6a in such a way that in product we get minus 40 and in addition or subtraction we get minus 6a. So we know that 10 minus 4, 6 and 10 fours are 40. So here we have a minus as a not minus sign here. So we will take minus term as a minus 10. See, 5a square, we will take minus 10a plus 4a. Minus 10 plus 4 minus 6. That's why we put minus sign here. Minus 8 as it is. What will take common? 5a will come common. 5a common because 5 is a 5, 5 is a 10. A is common in both cases. So we will write a minus 2 here. Plus 4 is a 4, 4 is a 8. 4 common. So we will write a minus 2 here. A minus 2 overall common. 5a plus 4. 5a plus 4. Now what we will do? I am writing here. A minus 2. So in place of a we will put x plus y. We will put x plus y minus 2. First expression. So in place of a I will write x plus y. So it will become 5x plus 5y plus 4. The final answer for your given expression. Okay. Now we are going to solve one more question like that. See. In this first and second question, we have substitute the value of two variables as a or as a b, or in place of a plus b we put x. Like this type you have to solve, and you don't have to forget in last that you have to put the original variable. Okay. Now we are going to solve one more this type of question when we have given a bracket and we have to first find the trinomial term, and then after getting the trinomial term we have to split it. We have to solve by middle term split. So suppose we have given x 3x minus 11 plus 6. This type of questions you will get in exercise number 4c, question number 3. In 4c, question number 3, you will get this type of question. So how to solve? First we will solve the bracket. First we will form a trinomial expression. See, that is 3x square minus 11x plus 6. Simply we have to just open the bracket and we have to solve. We have to find the trinomial expression. After finding the trinomial expression, we will split the middle term. Here the middle term is minus 11. Okay, so 3 6 are 18. We have to divide 11 in such a way that we get 18 as a product and minus 11 as a addition or subtraction. So simply 60 is 18. So what we will write, 3x square minus 9x minus 2x. Minus 9 minus 2 minus 11. Minus 9 minus 2 minus plus minus 11 will come minus 9 into minus 2 plus 18. 3 6 plus ka 18. So plus 6 as it is. What we will do, we will take 3x as a common from here and x minus 3 will be here. Minus 2 will take commons, so 2x and minus 6 we are taking commons, so this plus sign will become minus sign because minus into minus plus, so minus 3 will here. X minus 3 overall common, and then in last 3x minus 2 is the final expression. So simply in this question, this was simple question only in this. You have to first solve the bracket and you have to form a quadratic polynomial, that is trinomial expression, and after getting the trinomial expression simply you have to split the middle term, which we have learned in previous questions and previous video also we have solved this type of question. Simply we have to solve and we have to find the answer. Okay, now in last question what we have to do, we have to split the last term and we have to form an proper quadratic polynomial, or you can say that trinomial expression of degree 2. So you will get in exercise number 4C. This type of question which we are solving right now, you will get in exercise number 4C. Exercise number 4C, and last question, that is question number 4 ka first question we are solving. That is question number 4 ka first. X square plus 1 by x square minus 18. In this type of question, you have to split the last term. You have to arrange the last term in such a way that you are able to solve these questions properly. In question, it will be written as a that solve for last term. That is, so split the last term. So in such a way, we have a x square here plus 1x square. Both are the reciprocal of each other, that is, and minus 18 here. So we have to split last term in such a way that we get a proper solution for this expression. So how to solve, how to get, see, x is the square of x, 1 by x is the square of 1 by x whole square. So we know that, see, we having here such a that x plus 1 by x ka whole square. We have x square 1 by x square plus 2, or if we have x minus 1 by x ka whole square, so we have x square plus 1 by x square minus 2. So we can have plus 2, we can have minus 2, but these two terms will be same. So here we have this two terms here. So whether we can take plus 2 or minus 2, it will be depend on the last term. We have minus 18 here. We have to make minus 18 such that it becomes square of something. So suppose minus 18 if we have minus 18. If minus 18, can I write minus 16 and minus 2? So minus 16 and minus 2 you will get minus 18, minus minus plus. So minus 16 is a square of 4. Minus 16 is a square of 4. And minus 2 will come here. So what we will do, we will divide minus 18 in such a way that it will give the square of something and it will, other value will give help to form an identity. So what we will do, I will write here x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 and minus 16. We have split minus 18 as minus 2 and minus 16. Why we are taking minus 2 and minus 16? Because this minus 16 is the square of something, and square of something means square of 4. So this will become an identity, x minus 1 by x the whole square, and it will become square of 4. So simply I will write x minus 1 by x the whole square, because this 3 terms will become an identity. And minus 16 in place of 16 we can write 4 bracket square. 4 ka square. 4 ka square 16, and minus sign will be outside of the bracket. Now it becomes a square minus b square. Now in this expression will become, we will apply the identity again, a square minus b square. A square minus b square, that is a minus b, a plus b. So simply what will write, x minus 1 by x, a minus b, x minus 1 by x plus 4. Okay, thank you for today's lesson, and hope you are getting all the questions. Do practice regularly, and I will send few questions, you solve questions also, so you have to make a notes of that. Thank you very much. Have a good day.